Why is it spicy?
You wanna go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
Am I walking you or are you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Oh, too loud. Good boy.
Balls from the side.
He's like a goldfish.
Makes sense.
Aren't you supposed to do something?
We gotta stir it up good, right? Stir it up. Stir it up.
Let me think about it. Just name it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Velociraptor.
Who's the one guy you would sleep with?
John Stamos.
What? Did we just become best friends?